Good morning. It's Tuesday, June the 12th, and the market's just about to open. Here's the market open. Feel like we've got a pull down coming, and then we're going to head on up, especially after yesterday's big drop down. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. This would be a deep retracement down here. 50 would be just a tick from where it came to. We have a bulge there. This got to the bottom rail. This bulge right here, though, on the 610 is what gives me the inclination we're going down before we go up. This bulge here also. We can look for that deep.
Stop build.
Okay. Had a little bit of slippage in there too.
Stop build.
Okay. It's not quite the area. Okay. Yeah, I was looking at working it off the 50. Yeah. Okay, here we go. We got our bulge. We got our bulge. This is even bulged up some. Okay, let's get that 377 down there on the rail. Still looking for that 610 to get to the bottom rail. And see, this guy like this also says we're going down. All right, gotten on our rail there. Everything's good like I want to see it. Still looking for this 987 to get to its bottom rail down there. We got to break through the zero line to do it. You know, what I'm looking at, though, that is a bit of a problem. Look at how much those MACDs have come up on this price here on the 987. So it does look like they're going up for gas. That could be big for the run down. Okay, I went ahead and closed it instead of waiting for the boundary to get reached. Come on, we're out of deep, folks. Yeah, we're at the deep. Let's head on down. Other thing, really wanted to see this big step entry there. This will be 3 times to the top.
Stop build.
All right. Still looking at this bulge. All right, here we go. 377 is getting on that bottom rail. 610's gotten to the bottom rail. Now it's going to be an interesting picture right there. See what it does. This bulge, though, is coming down hard now. Oh no. 987. We're still back to the same boxy area right in here. Really need to see it break that area.
Order target build.
Alright, well. It just looks like it's going to take off to the upside and go. So, Pulled back there behind it. And let's watch it take this top out. Got well back out of the way. Alright, I'm in a little bit of a rock and a hard place because I committed to this thing. And now I'm halfway through its behavior. Starting to consider the possibilities of it going wrong.
Order target filled.
Okay. See, we've now got a bulge here on the 1597. Bulged. We've had multiple bulges. This thing's going to break through that bottom, that zero line and go.
Order filled.
Okay. Okay, watching this 1597, if that thing can go ahead and get to the into the rail, preferably on the other side of the rail, which it can do if this thing will go ahead and take this little bottom out here. Now look at this. We finally got down here to where my first target was on my earlier shorts.
Order filled.
Alright, so this first target, last piece I added on. First target I'm going to get out at the double bottom. Second target is my 62. And this target down here I'm going to work down towards the deep.
Target filled.
Alright, well, I got tired of watching it come back. Market's been a little bit too, well, it just hasn't worked for me today. That's okay. 7 ticks to the positive. I can call it a green day. Early on, I saw this short. I saw the favor to the short. I kept trying it. Here, I gave up. I said, it must be going long. I immediately got back on my short idea. Kept trying. Here, again, I had a moment of weakness. I reversed myself. And when I reversed this, I committed to it. Put my boundary way back down here where I didn't think it would come. When it finally started coming, I realized it was coming. I did a reversal here, which, because I was long here, I missed this opportunity here. I didn't recognize it for what it was. Anyway, so short from here, added on here, added on again when it came back, and I went ahead and closed it here so I could have a break-even day. Really am expecting it to go ahead and go for this. But when you start looking at it on the 1597, what have we done but come back for our deep here? Big time retracement divergence. So no sense in writing it out any farther. That was fine by me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you later.